Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's activity session. My name is Tina. I am the owner of Inspired Minds, Early Childhood Coaching and Consulting. So today's activity, is a creative sensory activity. So it is a little bit messy. What you're really going to need is these. So these are foam pumps. Clear soap is the best for this, the hand soap. Then you're also going to need the liquid watercolor. You do not want to use tempera paint with this. It will clog the pipes. Your other option is to use food coloring. And then you're just going to need a little bit of water. And all you do is put about 3 parts hand soap to 1 part water in these containers, or 2 parts water. You can play with it to see what kind of consistency you like. And then just add a few drops. I brought some sponges with me. I brought some Q-tips with me. I have some coffee filters, and of course I have paper. All right, so you can see my yellow is coming out. Pew, pew, pew. So there's some red. And this one, I like the thickness of this one. They can play with their hands. They can mix up the colors like that, right? You can also grab paper. You can do it on paper if you want, but I like this idea. You press it. This is one of the activity stations at my beautiful Oopsies workshop. See, look what happens there. I think that's so pretty. Take your sponge and take off all the excess here. You can play with it with sponges, coffee filters. And you can press them in as well. And you can make different designs here. All right, so now you can use Q-tips. You can do different designs. So you can see my hands are totally covered. I'm going to use a white wipe as I talk with you. So again, explore with different materials. So paper, tin foil, wax paper or parchment paper, cardboard, coffee filters. Get them to explore with how this works with different paper styles. Do different colors, color mixing, explore with, well, if we have more soap than water, what will the thickness be? So you get a little science experiment in there as well. You get a lot of language as you talk about sensory, you talk about colors, you talk about how it feels, if they like it. Again, really super great activity, fun foam paint activity. And all you need is some hand soap, some water, some liquid watercolor paint, or food coloring. And of course, the key to this is the foam soap dispensers. This is your key. That's it for today, everyone. Hope you had fun. We'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.